be the average saving would be $180 a month here, right? The fourth is own chat server. Most of you would be using Slack for the communication channels, right? Uh, Again, Slack is priced around $5, I guess. Let's see quickly the pricing of Slack. Yeah, so as I told you, it's free for users who have very less number of active users, but the standard one is priced around US dollars 2.67, I guess, which is US dollar 3 a month. Even this pricing, I guess, is for the Corona thing, special offers for teams in India. The average pricing, which is US dollar 6 a month for other countries, but let's take an average of US dollar 5 a month, which is the standard for. So into 20 users is dollar 100 a month, and this is something, the chat is something which every person will be using, right? So the alternative for Slack is, there are two good projects. I'll be closing all of this because the project management we went into too much details. Yeah. So for the chat, you have two good options. The first one is called Mattermost, which is not completely open source, but the standard features are open source. Uh, it advertises itself as open source self-hosted Slack alternative itself. The second one is a Rocket Chat. So first, we are using Rocket Chat in our company. Apart from a few drawbacks, it runs great. I'll let you know the drawbacks as well. One moment, I'll just plug in my laptop. Yep. So let's see the the GitHub link for Rocket Chat and Mattermost to judge which one has more number of stars. So this Mattermost server is having 17.9k stars, and Rocket Chat server is having around 26k stars, which is primarily the reason for which is that Rocket Chat is fully open source. We are using Rocket Chat for around maybe from since the inception of the company, and we have never faced trouble. But yeah, there are a few minus points which I will explain. The good part about Rocket Chat is that you can host it in your own server. So we have here http://chat.khailellab.com, right? So we have our own chat server. You can log in here. Okay. So you must be wondering why it's showing allow or block, since I have never logged in the browser, since it has a desktop client as well. That's why it is not logged in first thing, and it asks for allow or slash block because I've never opened it in a browser. So it has a desktop client. The good part is it has a desktop client for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, all three. And even for your mobile phone it has, for Android and iOS. So it's something like this, right? So you can create groups just like Slack. You can have individual users, you can see the status, you can control the users, change their passwords. There's an admin area. You can even have live chat feature. You can embed, there's an inbuilt JavaScript which you can embed in your site, and you can mark some users as live chat users, and they can act as chat agents too. It is a very feature rich application, and a very stable one. You have notifications and everything works really great. We have been using for quite some time. The only drawback is the mobile app is not really great. So the mobile app has some issues, like if you reply from the notification itself, the reply gets hanged. You have to open the app and then go to the app and then reply. The quick reply from the notification does not work. Apart from that, we have not faced any issue. This looks very small thing, but if you're using it daily, it creates a little bit of trouble. Apart from that, it looks great. You can actually connect more than one servers in this client, but we never needed to. So we connected it to our chat server. The first time you open this Rocket Chat window, it will ask you for the server URL. So you can just paste your URL, this one, there, and you can enter your ID password. That's it. That's it. You are set. So Rocket Chat we have been using personally, but yeah, when I researched for Rocket Chat, I also found Mattermost to be very popular. Mattermost is written in Golang, and React, which makes it a little bit more fluid in the UI part. And this Rocket Chat is written in Meteor.js. The front end is written in Meteor.js. Uh, I never found it to be hanging or something, but yeah. So people have a review that Mattermost is more fluid in usage than compared to Rocket Chat. So if you see the Rocket Chat page, you can see that it has actually mobile apps on Google Play, on App Store, and it has desktop clients for all popular platforms, including Linux. And it's a very so it has a quick deploy or Docker on even on a VPS. You can easily install it. So all these are very popular tools and very easy to install. All the tools I mentioned, you do not break a rock to install. Correct? Right. So let's get to the next topic now. So for